Alongside customers and vendors, ZetaFisc keeps a few more master records that make your reports richer, projects you cost against, your departments, and the owners of the business. We add one of each, all under CRM. First, a job, a project you can tag cost and revenue to, so you see whether each one is profitable. We open jobs and add one for our customer Northgate. We link it to the customer and set a budget of 5 million naira to track spend against. Then we create the job. Next, a department. Departments let you group staff and, later, see spending by team. We open department and add one. We name it operations, give a short description, and save. Finally, a business owner. ZetaFisc keeps a register of the owners or directors, so payments and dividends to them are tracked and attributed. We open business owners and add one. We enter the owner's name and position, and save. That rounds out the core master data: customers, vendors, staff, jobs, departments, and business owners. With these in place, every transaction can be tagged to the right party, project, and team, giving you reporting that actually reflects how your business runs.